4,30,000. From this I will subtract 1. 4,30,000. I will subtract 1. So minus 1. So this is 0. 1 is carried. 10 minus 1, 9. Then it is 9 will be left. Yes. Now it is clear. 9. Then 9 is left. 9. Yes, wait. 9. Then in mobile it is clear. Yes. Then this is 9. Then 1 is carried there. So in place of 3 it will be 2. And then 4. So 4,29,999. For third whole number before this, from this I will subtract 1. 4,29,999. 4,29,999. I will subtract 1. So minus 1. Just before means predecessor. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. And this is 2 and this is 4. So 4,29,998. So we write the answer. 3 whole numbers. 3 whole numbers. Yes, no disturbance occurring. 3 whole numbers occurring just before means predecessor. Just before 4,30,000 1 are 4,30,000 comma 4,29,999 and then 4,29,998. These three are whole number occurring just before this number. So just before means you have to find predecessor, and for predecessor we subtract 1. So 3 predecessor of this number you have to find. 3 just before means you have to find 3 predecessor of this number. You have to find 3 predecessor of this number. You have to find, yes. You have to find 3 predecessor of this. Yes, wait. So just before means predecessor. For predecessor, you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Just after is same as successor. For successor, you have to add 1 to the respective number. Yes. Yes. In mobile it is clear. I am able to see. Yes. Now let us wait. Yes, mute the microphone. Write fast. Utilize your energy in writing rather than doing something extra which is not related to our subject. Yes. This part is over, write fast. Yes, question number 4 is over, writing work. Just before means yes. Just before, yes. Board is clear. I am able to see in my mobile that the board is clear. Yes. Thank you. See, mute the micro. See, mute the microphone. Second thing is there, you have to write little bit fast. Along with accuracy, you should have good writing speed also. That is equally important. Third is there that utilize all your energy to this work, rather than your hand is there on your notebook, but your mind is somewhere else. That should not be there. In mind you are thinking some of kind of mischief. That should not happen. So make your mind very much clear to this subject. Then there will be more clarity. Now completed. Enough time I had given. Now let us solve question number 5. And meanwhile, see, we are writing question. Yeah, wait, let me first discuss, no, what is that question. Now see here, we are writing the question, so it is taking time. So I have asked you, arrange the book as early as possible, so that our time is saved in writing. So now question number 5, compare the following. Compare the following means which is greater, which is smaller, that you have to decide. Compare the following. First, A, 53,000, then 50,003. B, let me first write all the questions. 67890, then 98760, 98760, then C, 9940, 516, then 1003, 4002. Wait. There is question number 5. I am discuss. Let me first discuss. No homework will be there in this. Then 7550. Yes, 7550. Yes, 7550. 980. See, 98081. 98081. Then, yes, it is clear. 7550. 98045. Board is clear. I am able to see. 98045. So this, yes, you keep the phone horizontally, you will be able to see. Yes. See, compare means you have to see which number is bigger, which number is smaller. And when we have started this online teaching, and when I was teaching from Selina book, there we have discussed how to decide whether the number is bigger or smaller. The number is, if the number has more number of digits, that number is bigger. The number which has less number of digits, that number is smaller. Second thing, when the number of digits are same, then you have to compare the numbers from left side. This is my left side, left. When the number of digits are same, compare the numbers from left. So two things you have to, yes, sign, greater than, less than, that sign you have to put. Greater than sign you have to put. So when two numbers are given, you count number of digits. If number of digits, whichever number has more number of digits, that number will be bigger. And if the number of digits are same, then you have to compare the digits from left side. This is my left. Left side you compare the digits. Now let us see first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, both are 5 digit. Both are 5 digits. So I will start comparing the digit from left. From left I will compare. This is 5. This is 5. Okay. Then this is, yes, this is 3. This is 0. So 3 is bigger than 0. No, not underline. This I am explaining. 5, 5 same. Then 3, 0. 3 is bigger. So this number will be bigger. Arrow will be this. Mouth opening will be toward 53,000. Mouth opening means greater. This is mouth. Mouth opening is this side, means this number is bigger. Mouth opening is this side. Now next, we have to see how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both are having 5 digits, 5 digits. So if the number of digits are same, then I will compare the digits from left side. Left side. This you remember. Don't compare the digit from right. You have to compare the digit from left side. This is my left side. So 6, 9. Which is bigger? 9. So this number is bigger. Opening will be this side. Mouth opening will be this side. Mouth opening is toward bigger number. So this we say greater. This we say greater. Next, count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 digit. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 digit number. And this is 7 digit. So this number has more number of digits. So this will be greater. This number has more number of digits. So this will be greater. Let us see the D part. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of digits are same. So what you will do? Compare the digits from left side. This is my left. Left side. Left side, compare the digits. So 7, 7 equal. Then 5, 5 equal. Then 5, 5 equal. Then 0, 0 equal. Then 9, 9 equal. Then 8, 8 equal. Then we have 0, 0 equal. Then we have 8 and then we have 4. Now which is greater, 8 or 4? 8 is greater. 8, yes, so this number will be this side. Arrow will be this side. So when the number, yes, when the number of digits are, yes, yes. Okay. This one? Okay, see, no. This has how many digits? This has how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has 7 digits. And this has how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has 8 digits. So whichever number has more number of digits, that number is bigger. Is it clear? First comparison. First you have to compare number of, see here, wait. First you have to compare number of digits. If number of digits are more, that number will be bigger. If number of digits are same, compare the digits from left. Is it clear? So first you have to see number of digits. So this is question number 5. Yes, very good. Write fast also. Yes, write little bit fast. Wait. Write little bit fast. Now 6 is, yes, question number 6. Arrange the following in ascending order. Arrange the following. Arrange the following. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Arrange the following in ascending order. ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Or you can also say increasing order. Ascending order is same as, yes. Ascending order is same as increasing order or smaller to bigger. Yes, very good. Now we have to use that learning. See here, mathematics, what you will learn in first standard, second standard, that you will be using in 12th standard also, does not matter. So these are basic foundation course. What you will learn in first standard, that I will be using in 12th standard also, does not matter. So it is a learning which helps you for, yes, 10th standard also, you will come ascending order, descending order. 9th standard also we are having. So now 6th A, the numbers are 8530, 72. The next is 9372, 937258. Then 932065. 932065, then 899349, 899349. Arrange these numbers. Yes, repeat what you said. Yes, I will be there. So let us solve this. Arrange the numbers in the ascending order. First, very quickly, you have to count number of digits. How many digits are there? First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6 digit. Then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 digit. No, this is for your understanding I am writing. You can also write with pencil, no harm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also 6 digit. And then, yes, then this is also 6 digit number. So all are 6 digit number. Yes, all are 6 digit number. So what, wait. So what I have to do? I have to compare the digits from left. All the numbers are 6 digit. So when the number of digits are same, you have to compare the numbers. From left. Now left one is 8, 9, 9, 8. So these two 9 are bigger. 8, 9, 9, 8. So these are 9, this is 9. 9 are bigger. Now I will compare only these two number now. These two number I will compare. After 9 there is 3. Then it is 7. And it is 2. So this number is bigger. So we write 937258. We write greater than. Wait. I am writing. Wait. Yes. I am writing. First I am ascending order only we are doing. Now after. Okay. So this number is bigger. Wait. This number is bigger. See, does not matter. Wait. Yes, that is what. But what is there? First you have to decide. This is my bigger number. This is bigger. Then this is after this number, this. Then these two, this is smaller. So we write 853072, then 899349. Then after this, yes, mute the microphone, mute the microphone, mute the microphone. 932065, then 937258, 937258 are in ascending order. Are in ascending order. So these numbers are in ascending order, smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. No, Nindra, please. If you write the sign, does not matter. It is okay. You can write a sign also. Instead of comma, you can write less than sign. Even if you write a comma, it does not matter. No, period is still there. Who's leaving? Period is over. Still we have 11 minutes. Yes. Now second, 6034. 6034 07 6034 07 547980 547980, then 540732 540732, then 62006 6230 and then 6. So arrange this number in the ascending order. Arrange these numbers in the ascending order. So this I am giving B part as homework. Yes, B part is homework. Arrange the number in the ascending order. Yes, right. Yes. B part is homework. B part is homework. Yes. B part is home. B part is homework. B is only homework. A I have done. Only two problems are there. A and B. So A I have done. Then B I am giving homework. Now there is no C. We have to start question number 7. Yes. Wait. Arrange the following number in descending order. Descending order. Descending means decreasing order or bigger to smaller. Yes. Descending means decreasing or bigger to smaller or reducing order. Whichever you say. Decreasing means bigger to smaller. Question number 7. Question number 6, B part is homework. Then question. Yes. Yes. Now it is clear. A 405300. 405300. Right. Then 504003. 504003. Then 3330045. 30045. 30045. Then 45003. 45003. These numbers are there. You have to write the decreasing order. Yes, wait. You have to write the decreasing order. Yes, decreasing means, descending order means bigger to smaller. Descending order means bigger to smaller. You have to compare the digits. So now you have to compare the digits. So now let us first count how many digits are there. That by there is by count number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 6 digit number. Yes, 6 digit. Then this is also 6 digit. See, 6 digit. Then this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digit number. Then this is also 6 digit number. Yes. Or wait, mute the microphone. All are 6 digit number. So when number of digits are same, yes, you have to compare the numbers, compare the digits from left side. This direction, remember always, keep in the mind. Compare the digits from left side, left side, left side. Compare the digits from left side. So this is 4, this is 4, this is 5, this is 3, this is 4. So which number is bigger? 5. So we write 504003. Then after this number, yes, it is clear. After this 4, yes, 45, yes, 450003, this number. Then 405300, then 30, yes, 300045 are in descending order. Wait, are in descending order. Numbers are in descending order. See. Wait, you can also write with the sign also. Does not matter. 504003 less than 450003 less than 4053 00 less than you can yes, comma also you can write, with sign also you can write, whichever way, does not matter. I had explained in both the comma, then after that comma you have to write less than. This sign is less than, this is less than. Greater means this side, wherever opening is there. See here, wait, this will not be, wait. This number is bigger, no? So opening will be this side. Yes, opening will be this side. Whichever number is bigger, opening will be in that side. Is it clear? It will be, this number is greater, so bigger to smaller. Yes, homework. Yes, homework I am writing. Homework B 704697. Just correct this. 704697 453 962. Wait. Then 45793. Who is creating this? 457936. Then 704531. 704531. Write this number in the descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. B part will be homework. So descending order means bigger to smaller. Wait. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Yes. Now in mobile it is coming clear. Yes. So See, no, still time is there 2 minutes. Yes, but still time is there. Still time is there 2 minutes. And see, if you permit, in 2 minutes I can do 8th one. Yes. If you permit, in 8th one I can do in 2 minutes. What is? Yes. Huh. Yes. Yes. Please don't create the disturbance. Or let me do 8th one afterwards. No problem. So, see here. So, student, one thing I would like to say, that when you are studying maths, you have to be perfect in the calculation. But along with that perfect, there should be some speed in writing also. Your hand and your brain both should work together. Yes. What is tip of the day? Your hand and your brain both should run simultaneously. Your hand and your brain both should run parallelly. Yes, with same speed both should run. Yes, write fast. Yes. Yes. No, 8th one. No. See, 8th one. I will do in. Wait. Mute the microphone. 8th one. I will do in next period. 8th one. Yes. Now see, 8th one. Yes, send in the WhatsApp. 8th one I will do next time, next period. 8th one will do next period. It is 11:21. We stop our period now. We stop our period. It is 11:21. You are having one. Yes. Bye. Bye everybody. Bye. Take care. Do the homework. Take nice, delicious food. Yes. Take. Yes. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye everybody. Yeah. Yes. Now we stop. Stop the period now. Yes, you can exit the group. I am also going to exit. Yes. Personal number is there in that group, no? It is not there? Okay, then personal number you can write. If you want, you can write. Write this personal number and send me the homework. 9930732714. This is the personal number. You send me the homework on this personal number. Okay, bye everybody. Bye.